Hello guys, good evening. Kumusta kayo lahat? Ako naman, victim ako ng scam dito sa BGC. While I was talking to you guys live dyan sa grocery, guess what? May snatchers na naman sa loob ng grocery. Tapos, one of them, or a group of them, were able to get my other phone from inside my bag. Nabuksan nila yung bag ko while I was waiting online. And kinuha nila yung phone. So, andito ako naman sa police station ng Taguig. Live, very helpful sila naman. Bablotter na kami. Tapos of course, yung pinasis sa amin dito si Arnel. Salamat, Arnel. Na kanina lang pinagalitan ko si Arnel eh. Pero kailangan pala na to make a report muna sa police station para pa-check ng police mismo. Nasaan si Kuya? Pa-check ng police dyan sa labas. Sila mismo ma-verify yung CCTV. Kasi actually, while we were... Okay, let's go, baby. While we were doing the vlog, makikita naman yung mga suspects sa vlog ko eh. So, merong dalawang very, suspicious. Very suspicious na ng suspects sa vlog. Na lumapit sa tabi ko while another old woman was keeping moving back and forth. Kaya during the vlog, I'm doing like that eh. And kukuha nila yung cellphone ng baby ko. So, malungkot siya.
I will find you.
Yes. Pero malas nila kasi kukuha ko yung mga mukha nila sa vlog ko eh. Sa live ko. Tsaka, of course, may CCTV sa marketplace na supermarket sa Uptown. So, nababalikan kami dyan kasi ma-review yung police, yung CCTV. So, of course, na-score nila kami. So, medyo ma-adventure kami dito. Papasok kami dito sa patrol ng car. Come, baby. So, yun. So, papasok kami. Victims kami ng scam. Kawawa naman yung cellphone ng baby ko. And I'm just glad it's just a cellphone, diba, guys? Ang problema yung pabalik ko ng Pinas, yung kausap ko na iba-ibang friends ko, actually na-aware nila ako sa high street na mayroong scammers daw na yon dito sa BGC. Of course, sa loob ako ng supermarket, medyo relax ako kasi that's not just basta-basta supermarket. Usually, mga tao na frequent that goes to that supermarket, yung mga taga dito, yung mga foreigner community. So, medyo masyado akong relaxed. And magaling talaga sila, ang bilis. So, kudos ako sa kanila, ang bilis nila eh. Professional talaga ng pickpocket yan. Kasi my bag was closed. My bag has a lock. They were able to unlock and grab nila na mabilis yung cellphone. And umalis sila kagad. So, grupo sila. So, kailangan talaga tayo lahat, ma-careful dito sa BGC area. Kahit nasa loob ng mall kayo, kahit nasa loob ng store kayo, kahit sa supermarket, imagine, they were able to snatch yung phone just like that. Pero malas nila kasi may kukuha ko na images sa vlog ko, tsaka pa-match natin sa CCTV na meron yung sa loob ng supermarket kasi merong camera na tutukan dyan sa cashier. So, yon. So, pupunta kami now back to the mall, to Uptown Mall. And then we're gonna see what will the police able to find out in the CCTV kung sino-sino sila na mga grupo ng scammers, na mga pickpocketers dito sa na ang lakas-lakas ng loob nila kahit sa loob ng supermarket na marami security cameras na lakas ng loob nila, ginagawa nila ng kalokohan din. So now, pabalik kami ng Uptown Mall. And kasama kami, of course, na-score sa akin, si Kuya Arnel, taga Marketplace. Tsaka yung police. Yung mga police dito sa BGC, na malapit lang pala sa area. Ito yung police station. So, first time ako nasa police station dito sa BGC, maganda naman siya. Okay naman siya. Mabait naman yung mga tao doon. And pabalik pala namin dito sa mall. And let's see what's gonna happen, guys. But I just wanna share with you guys what will happen. Lahat kayo pwede nagibikma na mga scammers na ganon. And it's so sad because BGC used to feel very safe and now hindi na. So, siguro mukha ko masyado foreigner. Akala nila, hindi ako vlog, baka akala nila na video call ako, hindi ko kayo kasama. Okay, let's go baby. So, ipabalik namin dito sa mall. Papasok kami dyan sa marketplace. Kanina, nalobat ako pero buti naman yung mga pulis dyan na hiram sa akin na na charger sa phone. So, i-charge ko yung phone ko dyan sa sa police station. And now, ipabalik namin dito sa Uptown Mall. Malas na lang mga pickpocket. Nakukuha ko sila sa videos ko. Tsaka meron sila sa CCTV for sure. Kasi yung spot kung nasaan sila pa-pickpocket, pang rob my bag, may CCTV camera na tutukan dyan. So there guys. So papasok kami dito na yon. And I cannot let that go. I know it's just a cell phone. But alam mo naman, we cannot just allow, good evening po, we cannot just allow these things to be happening. Okay? Yung mga pickpockets na take over BGC. Yeah, later baby, we're gonna get ice cream. So, kailangan natin ginagawa ng paraan para i-identify natin sila lahat. Kasi meron talaga modus operandi dito na yon sa BGC. Na mga pickpockets, na mga scammers, pati kidnappers. So, we need to make everybody aware. And I will be making, if I have their identification, I will be making them very famous. Yung sasabihin ko sa kanila. So, sana lang, pabalik nila yung cellphone na anak ko. Kasi kung hindi, nagi sila talaga and kukulong sila. They're gonna go to prison. Kasi that's robbery. Diba? So, I have some screenshots in my phone of the video that ginagawa ko kanina dito sa supermarket. And kung sino na suspicious na sa likod ko, na lumapit sa akin sa bako, meron ako din nakukuha na parang snapshot ng mga mukha nila. Siguro, hindi nila alam kung sino ako, hindi nila na-realize na live ako dito sa supermarket. Baka akala nila, kinausap ko na with somebody online. And now, na naman, papunta kami dito kasi yung mga pulis naman, ginagawa nila ng kailangan nila gawa. Kamusta po? So, yun. So, andito po ako kanina. Dito lang po. Ganito, katulad niya. Dito po ako. Tapos meron dito ako fila-fila dito.
Wait na lang tayo dito sa may time.
Oh, sure po. Okay, thank you. Come, baby. So, there guys. So, now, gagawan nila yung trabaho nila. Ipa-investigate nila, tsaka ipa-check yung CCTV cam na meron dyan. So, while that happens, wait na lang kami dito sa mga Thank you, kuya. What's it, baby? So, yun guys. So, update ko kayo kung ano nangyari dito. Pero ginagawa nila na na report, kinausap sila na police dito sa BGC. And kung ano pwede nangyari. And yun talaga kailangan ingata talaga. Imagine, pumunta ko sa Brazil, pumunta ko sa US, pumunta ko sa iba-ibang lugar. Dito pala ako nagnakaw sa home ko.
Pasok na po kami, ma'am.
Pasok na lang.
Kami lang.
Kayo na lang. Sige. Bawal pala akong pasok. Baka nawawala ako sa camera. So, yun. So, yun guys. So, I'm just gonna wait here. But yeah, basically what happened is I was shopping, diba? Meron ko the previous live now. I was doing a live in the supermarket. I was shopping dito sa marketplace in Uptown Mall. And then, somebody robbed my bag. While I was lining up, there is some weird movements going around. And then they were able to open my bag and they take out from my bag the phone of my daughter. That's iPhone 15. So they took out from my bag the phone. So my daughter said, "Mommy, your bag is open." So when I look, my bag's open. Tapos sabi niya, "Mommy, can I have my phone?" And then yung patingnan ko, wala yung phone. Ang bilis. So they're able to get the phone from inside my bag. Kasi sa totoo, wala lang mo yung bag ko Yung phone niya, tsaka some makeup, and then some cards lang. So, now, of course, andito ako, pumunta ko sa police station, pinapareport ko sila, pa-plotter ko sila, pinapareport yung nangyari, tapos, kasi kailangan niya para makikita ng police yung CCTV so they can identify whoever stole my phone. Yes, baby, you go. See what food do you like? So, of course, lungkot yun ako eh. Kasi ang dami meron daw lamang yung phone niya eh. Mga drawings niya, di ba? Yung mga things from school. But I told her, don't worry, it's in the cloud. But still, I really need to do this because hindi tama. Yung narinig ko, may marami scammers dito sa BGC. Marami pickpocket dito sa BGC. And natataka ako kasi sa loob ng grocery na mayroong CCTV, grabe nila, yung lakas loob nila. You know? So siguro mukha ako masyadong foreigner. Kasi ako yung na-target nila eh. Yung buong buhay ko, 40 years old ako eh. That's the first time I get robbed. Everything in life. Pero yan, so naghintay ko na lang yung yung resolution ng mga police kasi pinapa-check nila yung CCTV na yon. And then, let's see what's gonna come out from it. And I really hope, and I think, and I believe, it will be easy to spot them because how I said in my previous life, meron na naman na makikita ko na suspects na parang weird people, you know, around. And naalala ko yung mga mukha nila. So, you know, I might be able to identify. And if na ma-identify ko sila, lagi sila famous. So, make sure na kukulong sila. Kasi hindi tama yung ginagawa nila. So, yun. Are you dying, baby? Do you wanna eat something?
I don't know, kasi ako like veranda yan.
Okay, let's see what's gonna happen in this soap opera of my life. So, yun. So, God bless you guys. Bye-bye. Ingat po kayo palagi. Bye-bye, guys.